Welcome to MyGST Refund. Are you still doing everything manually? Let's show you an easy and fast way. After login, go to the reconciliation. Click on GSTR2B versus PR2. This is where your work become easy. Click on Start New Reconciliation. Choose GST. Select month, from and to. Then click to Generate Report. Your report will be ready in few seconds. Download it. Then click on Reconciliation now. Enter detail and upload your purchase register file. Click on Submit. Now the system will do the work. Click on Map your columns. Fill simple detail like document number, GST, date, value. It is easy and quick. Your report is ready. Download it or click on View Summary. Now you can see everything clearly. Total invoices, matched data, missing data and differences. Click to see more details. Now your work is simple. Stop doing reconciliation manually. Start using MyGST Refund today.